Locate the zipper at the tail end. Locate zipper and pull.
Pull the zipper open. After unzipping, lift and open on the back and button.
Push the fur towards the head and use one hand to hold on the exposed body of the device.
With the other hand, grasp the fur at the head and pull it apart. Adjust the position of the body and the head properly.
Tuck the fur lining inside. Disassembly complete.
First, confirm the back and button of the body.
This side is the back.
This side is the bottom. Turn the fur lining inside out. Place it with the bottom facing down.
Then, with your palm facing down, reach to the bottom.
Align the stitching with the lower edge of the head.
Grab the lower edge of the head with your hand and align it with the center line. Flip the fur over and pull it onto the head. After putting it on, push forward the head for adjustment.
Insert the body into the interior and flip fur on the back to cover the body. You can pull the fur back during the process.
Then, zip up the zipper. Pull the fur on the back backwards.
Push the fur at the bottom forward.
Adjust by hand to the neck.
Adjust the position of the eyes.
Finally, groom the fur.
Installation complete.